Let's quickly shift our attention to more news coming in. It's a clarification from Ghulam Nabi Azad's party after sources in the Congress told your channel that Ghulam Nabi Azad may be joining the Congress party. His party has come out to deny all of those claims, has in fact issued a detailed statement. This is a statement by the DPAP, which is Ghulam Nabi Azad's party. The party says these are rumours, they're totally baseless and false just to create confusion and break our party. Mr. Azad has requested all our party leaders and workers not to get into this trap and also requested media persons to not give any importance to these rumours. So the DPAP, clearly calling them baseless rumours, says there's no chance that Ghulam Nabi Azad will be returning to the Congress party, that he will be making a return to his former party, the Congress, that these are rumours being spread by Congress leaders of Jammu and Kashmir for the last 2 weeks. So that's the reaction coming in from DPAP. Let me go across to Ishan Vani joining us with more details. Ishan, it's very clear that, the election heat is certainly turning up in Jammu and Kashmir, with sources in the Congress saying that Ghulam Nabi Azad may just make a return to the Congress party. His party, though, very clear that these are baseless rumours. What's really going on?
Come elections, this is what happens in every state or a union territory, that people switch sides. There are rumours, there are people jumping ship, and that precisely is happening in Kashmir. We're seeing that several political party leaders are switching either to National Conference or some other party. Chaudhry Zulfikar today switched to BJP, and now there are rumours about Ghulam Nabi Azad being in touch with the Congress leadership, or somebody from the Congress is trying to approach them. There are two sides of the same coin, where we are told that the Congress leadership was keen on getting Azad on board, but it seems like the party has denied entire episode, saying that Ghulam Nabi Azad hasn't been indirectly or directly or telephonically been in touch with any of these leaders, or Congress has ever approached him ever since he left the party. So they're calling it rumours and calling them baseless rumours, and saying that this is being done to attack the party and to basically create chaos in the party. Chriswin, it's important to underline here that the party wasn't able to perform well in the Lok Sabha elections, and many of its leaders have left, including the senior most leader Taj Mahideen, who just yesterday resigned and decided to rejoin the Congress. He's a former minister who has several times represented Congress, and a senior leader from the Congress who had come to Azad's party after he announced his decision. But yes, people, as I said earlier, that it's election time, and parties are getting, many leaders are leaving those parties who were formed after 2019, like Apni Party or the Azad, the DPAP. So yes, it's happening, and because of the election buzz, there are a lot of things that are going to happen sometime, because several leaders feel that they will be able to perform better with some other party. So let's wait and see that how does this go.
So at this stage, perhaps one is just left to say that this could go either way. Many thanks, Ishan, for joining us with all those details. A clarification, though, in the meanwhile coming in from DPAP, Ghulam Nabi Azad's party, that these are just baseless rumours. Let's now